Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we were out at Paul Clark's Restorations the other day, and we were going to pick it up and bring it home, but Paul wasn't quite done with it. But now you can see it's in the garage. It's looking good. It's all polished up. It looks sweet. This is a base coat, clear coat, and I got, you guys tell me, what kind of red is this? Roman red. Roman red. So the heater's firing up. I hope I can talk over that, but isn't this a beautiful car? Boy, Mike and I were just talking about the trunk. Can you imagine the press that had to press this to get this the right shape? And I don't know much about 59 Impalas, but I'm sure we're gonna learn a lot as we put this thing together. But I think it's gonna set on the back burner for a little while. Right, Mike? It's got a lot of chrome to get polished for this thing before we get this thing together. We gotta get the Chevelle together before we get anything else together. But at least this is painted, and we got another project to work on. There you go.